Now let us discuss the theorem that triangles on the same base and between the same parallels have equal area. As you can see in the figure, we have been given two triangles ABC and PBC. They are on the same base BC and between the same parallels. That means AP is parallel to BC, and we have to prove that the area of ABC is equal to area of PBC. So it has been given to us triangle ABC and triangle PBC are on the same base BC and between the same parallels. AP is parallel to BC. To prove area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. So for this we will make some construction. As you can see in the figure, we have drawn BD parallel to AC, and we have extended AP to meet BD at point D. Similarly, we have drawn CQ parallel to PB, and we have extended PA to Q. So now we see that we have drawn BD parallel to AC and CQ parallel to PB. So now the proof will be, as we can say that we have drawn BD parallel to AC and we know BC is parallel to AD, because BC is parallel to AP and AD is an extension of AP, so BC is parallel to AD. Now both the sides of opposite sides of a parallelogram of a quadrilateral are parallel to each other, so we can say that ADBC is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ADBC is a parallelogram. Similarly, we can prove that BCQP is also a parallelogram. Now we have two parallelograms ADBC and BCQP on the same base BC and between the same parallels. So the area of ADBC is equal to, area of BCQP, because both the parallelograms are on the same base BC and they are between the same parallels, so their area are equal. And we know that area of triangle PBC is half of area of parallelogram BCQP, because we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles, so the area are equal. So the area of triangle PBC is half of area of parallelogram BCQP. Similarly, area of triangle ABC is half of area of parallelogram ADBC. So we can say that area of triangle PBC is half of parallelogram BCQP and area of triangle ABC is half of parallelogram ADBC. And we know that the area of both the parallelograms are equal, as we have just proved. So we can say that the area of both the triangles, that means area of triangle PBC is equal to area of triangle ABC. Hence, we have proved that if we have two triangles on the same base BC and if they are between the same parallels, then their area are equal. So basically what we have done, we have made some constructions. We have drawn BD parallel to AC and we have drawn CQ parallel to PB, such that now BD is parallel to AC and BD is parallel to AC and BC is parallel to AD. So ADBC is a parallelogram, and similarly BCQP is also a parallelogram. So both the parallelograms are on the same base BC and they are between the same parallels. So the area of ADBC is equal to area of BCQP. And we know that area of triangle PBC is half of area of parallelogram BCQP, because we know that the diagonal in a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. So the area of one triangle is half of the total area. So area of triangle PBC is half of area of parallelogram BCQP. Similarly, area of triangle ABC is half of parallelogram ADBC, Now when the both the areas of both the parallelograms are equal because they are on the same base and between the same parallel, so we can say that the area of both the triangles are equal. Now let us try to apply the concept that the triangles on the same base and between the same parallels have equal area. We are given a question that side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to P. A line through point A parallel to CP is meeting CB produced extended to Q. Then we have completed the parallelogram PBQR. We have to prove that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBQR. As you can see in the figure, we have a parallelogram ABCD and the side AB is extended to point P, and then we have joined CP. Through point A we have drawn a line parallel to CP and we have extended CB and they are meeting at point Q. Then we have tried to complete the parallelogram PBQR, and now we have to prove that the area of these two parallelograms are equal. So as you can see from the figure, we have two triangles. The solution can be, we have two triangles, triangle ACQ and triangle AQP. We have two triangles AQC or ACQ and AQP. These two triangles are on the same base, that is AQ, and between the same parallels, because we know that AQ is parallel to CP by construction. Now when AQ is parallel to CP and they are on the same base AQ, therefore area of triangle AQC is equal to area of triangle AQP. Now when both the triangles have equal area, so we can subtract the common area, subtracting common area, that is AQB. Area triangle AQB, we have area of triangle AQC minus area of triangle AQB is equal to area of triangle AQP minus area of triangle AQB. Now when we subtract the area of AQC from AQB, we get area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBQ. Now area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle PBQ. From the figure you can see that area of triangle ABC is half of area of parallelogram ABCD, because AC is the diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. So area of triangle ABC is half of the area of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, area of triangle PBQ is half of area of parallelogram PBQR. Now when both the areas of triangles have equal area, that means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBQ. So when area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBQ, so we can say that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBQR, because when the area of two triangles are equal, so double of these areas will also be equal, and double of the area of triangle ABC will be equal to the area of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, double the area of triangle PBQ is equal to the area of parallelogram PBQR. So when the area of two triangles are equal, so the area of two parallelograms will also be equal. Hence we have proved that the area of two parallelograms are equal. So basically in the question we have used the concept that the two triangles, that is ACQ and AQP, are on the same base AQ and they are between the same parallels, because we have drawn AQ parallel to CP. Now when they are between the same parallels and they are on the same base, their areas are equal, and from the as the areas are equal, we have subtracted the common area, that is AQB, from both the triangles. So we have got when AQC minus AQB is equal to triangle ABC. Similarly, area of triangle AQP minus area of AQB is equal to PBQ. As and further we can see that the area of triangle ABC is half of parallelogram ABCD, and area of PBQ is half of parallelogram PBQR, because we know that AC is the diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD. Now when AC is the diagonal, it will divide it into two congruent triangles, and so the area of the two congruent triangles will be equal. So area of ABC is half of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, area of parallelogram PBQ is half of parallelogram PBQR. Now when the area of the triangles are equal, so the area of parallelograms will also be equal. Hence we have proved, as it was asked in the question, to prove that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBQR.